Good morning again, Off the Bench Sports family. Again, we are here live at North Central High School, home of the. It's the tornado. We here. I love the hurricanes, tornado. Both of them are super destructive. I don't want to be in the path of either. I'm gonna show you this group of kids along with their coach. If you don't know who they are, I guarantee you don't want to wait and find out once you get on the hardwood. These guys did some outstanding things on the basketball court last season. Top 28 semifinalists, fell short to Dale High. Don't be surprised if you see them right back, because they're not. They're ready. Like, these guys, we've been talking for 10, 15 minutes, and their facial expression never changed. They look like they're always about business. Again, North Central High School, LeBeau, Louisiana. These kids are tight-knitted. They are one family, and they believe and they trust in each other. They also believe and trust in their leaders. So we're going to get started. We're going to start here on the end. Go ahead and introduce yourselves, and if you like, tell them a little bit about yourself.
My name is Derek, play small forward for North Central High School in the class of 2021.
My name is Jalen Wilson, go to North Central High School, point guard, class of 2020.
My name is Ernest Stone, I play small forward, school in North Central 2022.
My name is Athea Jordan. I've been the head coach at North Central. This is going to be my 4th year with these guys. They've been phenomenal over the last. I look forward to this year. We've won district every year. We're also every year going farther in the playoffs. As you mentioned, we were able to go to the semifinals on last year, so we're looking forward to going farther than we did last year. And as you stated, we're a tight-knit family, and so we look forward to this season.
Jalen Smith, point guard, shooting guard, North Central High School, class of 2019.
Kimber Johnson, center, go to North Central High School, class of 2020.
So here you have it. These guys, along with their coach, y'all, just, I got to see them play several times live last year. Southern Lab Hall of Fame Classic, also top 28. Very impressed by their work ethic. And so since that's always determined by the leader, Coach, what goes into you guys' work ethic?
The guys, we actually, I train in my off time. I train women, and so the person who trains me, she trains the boys. And so when you say work ethic, we run some pretty strenuous workouts. They die basically. And so what's amazing about them, and I think that's what everyone sees on the court, is they're willing to die off the court. And so when they're on the court, it doesn't faze them. I remember when we were in playing dealing, and we went out by, I think, 22 or 23 going into the 4th quarter, and they were dead playing dealing, and we were just getting in the 1st gear, and we ended up, and so they work hard, not just in the weight room, but on the weekends, they're in the gym by themselves, they're shooting, they're getting it in, they're doing everything that they need to do because they want it. And so, as you mentioned, oftentimes being in a small community like we are, we're overlooked. It's very hard to get exposure. And so they're determined to do it not by just having to win games, but just by doing what they have to off the court.
Okay, let's go right here. You know who I'm coming to. You play too much. So, I want to make sure we get this out here because it's very important. You're a dual sport athlete. football, wide receiver, cornerback, basketball. You play the 1 and the 2. How do you find time to manage being great on the football field and the basketball court?
He's triple. He's in track as well. Last year he won in state. He won the triple jump, and he was runner up in the long jump. Or vice versa. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's why you said.
Yeah,
That's why you said you got enough speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see you now. So how's the managing all that, man?
It's hard. I be just trained out because when it comes down to football, like we don't really be in the weight room that much. So I try my hardest to get in. So if we don't, I go work out at home. Sometimes my uncle come down, work out with him. And when it comes down to basketball, I don't have nothing to worry about because I can keep up with the boys because they already trained. And when it comes down to track, training with us. I can't even explain. It's hard. So I'm built for it already.
Right, Louisiana. Yeah. So let's go right here. You are the big.
Yes, sir.
What are your job duties on the team?
We will keep the team straight on the court, keep our minds right, and just be ready to play every single game. Just like I bring it in practice.
How much do you love playing basketball for North Central?
A lot.
Okay, let's go. Right here. Well, what about you? How much fun is it playing basketball here at North Central?
It's fun.
What's your job?
Play defense, lock down defense.
Say that again.
Lock down defense.
That's him. All deep. Well, he's everything, but defense is his.
Say it one more time.
Lock down defense.
He said it with so much confidence, like I got this. Like this me, this who I'm gonna shut you down. That's what it is. No matter who it is.
No matter what it is.
I love it. Nothing shows confidence like confidence, baby. Okay. I'm gonna wait for you on last. You know you my dude. You my dude. So let's go right here. Same 2 questions. How much do you love playing for North Central, and what's your job?
Well, we've been together for a long time. We're like a family, just love in the game, off the court, on the court. And my position, I feel like I'm there for them, like to give them a target if somebody put their head down or something. Keep the team up. If they down, put a fire in them and me. So play hard though. Play hard, strong. Come out the win.
Y'all win. Don't say come out the win. When you have a track record of winning, say we win.
It wasn't always like that, so we gotta keep on going. Even though we winning, the stuff they do off the court is what we bring on the court. So.
And so you notice he has that confidence, but nothing is ever good enough for us. The bar stays raised. So we love winning it, but if you listen to Derek in his mind, it's just never enough. So that's what makes him special.
Right. You ready? It's my dude. Same question. The question ain't gonna change. So you had, you need me to repeat it? How much do you love playing here at North Central with your guys? And what's your job?
I love it. We all have the same mentality. We go in the games, we're all hungry to win. My job is just to keep the team up, and I'm a point guard to handle the ball and control the floor.
Scrappy. Fight. Humble. I see it. Like all of you guys, and I'm a fan across. so that the listeners can see you guys. All of you guys have been super humble. Like, I see a lot of kids across the spectrum, and I've seen a lot of kids that win a lot. And I've tried to pull some of it out of you, and you guys just, you know, your facial expressions haven't changed. It's all about business. It's all about the business of being better basketball players, better young men. Most kids will brag or be braggadocious. And, you know, you guys' facial expressions have not changed. Like, that is amazing. I'm really proud to be here with you guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys for taking a moment with Off the Bench Sports. Can you get one smile across the room? I know you're not gonna smile. I ain't gonna even ask you. One smile, a big smile from Coach. He likes to smile too, y'all. He loves to smile. So thank y'all. Remember, get off the bench, get into the game. North Central Hurricanes.